Hi everybody, happy Monday, and this week I'm going to be doing the math videos for you whilst Mrs. Sharp does the phonics. So for this today you will need a piece of paper and a pencil, and I think that's it. So when we are ready we can start. So it's our click session and it is Monday, off we go. For counting. All for learning. It's nothing new. And for calculation. Okay, now's the time you can pause me and have a go at some counting songs. So I think Mrs. Sharp gave some ideas last week. We've got counting to 10, counting to 20, counting to 100, and I'd especially like you to have a go at the doubles to 5 song today because we're going to be learning about doubles this week. Okay, pause me now, reception. All right, welcome back, everybody. I hope you enjoyed your counting songs. Now it's time for our learn it. Say what you see. Are you ready? Let's do it in a whisper. 2, 3, 5, 4, 10, 1, 8, 6, 7, 9, 3 numicon, 2 numicon, 4 numicon, 5 numicon, 1 numicon, 8 numicon, 6 numicon, 9 numicon, 7 numicon, 10 numicon. 1 and 1 equals 2. Okay, now we can say it in a mouse voice. 1 and 1 equals 2. Now we can say it in a low voice. 1 and 1 equals 2. Excellent. Next one. 2 and 2 equals 4. Okay, ready? We're going to see how fast we can say it. 1, 2, 3. 2 and 2 equals 4. Can you go faster? 2 and 2 equals 4. Fantastic. What's your name? What's 2 and 2? Perfect. Right, okay. It's nothing new. Let's look at number 11. Let's have a look. Okay, so we have got some numicon here. Who can shout out what numicon we've got on the left? What is the blue numicon? 10. 10. We know that that's 10 numicon. But hang on a minute. There's another numicon here. And which one is it? It's number 1. So let's see if we can count together. Right. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to add the 1. 11. 11. So there's 11 numicon altogether. So 10 and 1 equals 11. Thank you so much. And when we see the number 11, it looks a little bit like this. It's 2 1s together. Do you want to have a go at writing that on your piece of paper? 2 1s together. That is 11. Right, everybody, calculation. So, this week we are learning what the word double means. What does double mean? We all know the doubles. I can add doubles. It's no trouble for me to add doubles. But what does the word double mean? Let's have a look. Doubling. This is Pim. Say hi, Pim. Hi, Pim. He is an alien from the planet Click. Pim can help us to understand doubling. So, Pim is showing us 1 cat. 1 cat. But But now Pim is showing us another cat. Another cat. Pim is showing us double one. One and another one equals, let's find out, 2 cats. Did you get that? Did you get that one cat and another cat equals 2 cats? If you did, give yourselves a pat, 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 pat. Good job. How do we know though? How do we know that one cat and another cat equals 2 cats? How did we know that? Okay, I think you all know the answer to this. We have one and we add another one and then we count how many we've got together. So let's count the fingers we've got. 1, 2. 1 add another one equals 2. Double 1 equals 2. Right, let's have a look at this next one. 1 duck add 1 duck. 1 duck and 1 duck is, I want you to shout this answer as loud as you can. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was really loud. 1 duck and 1 duck equals 2 ducks. So what does that mean? What does that mean? What is double one? What is double one? Double 1 duck is 2 ducks. Okay, last one. This looks like it could be maybe a number 1 on a dice. A number 1 on a dice. So 1 dot and 1 dot equals 2 dots. 2 dots. And we know that because we can count to the dots. We can see 1, 2. Double 1 equals 2. Fantastic. Okay, now let's have a look at halving. When we chop it in half. So, if I had 2 sweets and I wanted to share my sweets with one person, I could half my sweets. I'm going to give half of my sweets to another person. I've got 2, I'll give 1 to you. Here you go. So we've got 1 each. So 2 sweets in half equals 1. Okay? Right, let's have a look at this shape. What shape have we got here? It's a triangle. It's a triangle. In one corner of the triangle, we've got 1. In the other, we've got 1. And at the top, we've got 2. 2. Okay? So we know that the 2 1s at the bottom of the triangle, when we add them together up in the triangle, it makes 2. 2. Let me get my pen and we can have a look at that. We've got 1 and 1, and when we add them together, it makes 2. 1 corner, add 1 corner, up to the top, 2. Right, okay. Double 1 is 2. But half of 2 equals 1. So if we had half of 2, we cut it down the middle, that equals 1. Right, I want you to get your pencil ready with some paper, okay? Right, okay. I would like you to write me the answer to double 1. Double 1. What's 1 add 1? Quickly write it on your paper. I'll give you a little bit of time. 1 add 1. What's the answer? Look at the triangle to help you if you like. Okay. Show me in 3, 2, 1. Double 1 is 2. 2. If you wrote a number 2, big thumbs up from me. Well done. 2. And this is what our 2 looks like. Okay, ready for another one? Get your pencil and your paper ready. Are you ready, reception? This time, I want you to write for me the number that is half of 2. If I had 2 sweets and I give 1 to you, how many do you have? What is half of 2? 2 cut down the middle. Can you write it on your paper? I'll give you a few seconds. Half of 2. 3, 2, 1. Show me your answer. Yeah, if you got 1, 1, then you are a shining star. Half of 2 is 1. Whew, that was a lot of work reception, wasn't it? Right, that is all from me today. Super proud of you for doing your learning at home. Keep going, reception. Bye, see you tomorrow.